Hey guys, this is the Panini Threads 2010 football box break. Here's the time right here. Hold on, 9/22, May 24. I don't know if you guys can see that right there. And here's the box number if anybody wants it. Okay, I'm gonna get this box break started. You possibly close the door. Alright, so here's our first card. Ryan Grant, Ray Rice, Kellen Winslow, Kevin Cobb. Hold on, let me try to make it more clear for you guys. Matt Schaub, Lee Evans, Matt Castle, Century Legends Randall Cunningham, okay, here we go. And Andre Caldwell, Donald Driver, John Clausen, Chaz Shulin, Matt Leinart, Joseph Adai, Jonathan Stewart, and we got Joe Mammoth, and Mark Sanchez. Okay, we got Anquan Baldwin, Mike Sims Walker, Jay Cutler, Dandy Amendola, Lewis Murphy, Eddie Royale, Steve Smith, Century Stars Donald Driver. For that one, let's get to the next. There you go. Percy Harvin, Marion Barber III, Eli Manning, James Laurinaitis, can't really pronounce that, but he's from the Rams. Zach Miller, Matt Schaub, Lee Evans. We got refractor Felix Jones for the Cowboys. Nice card. Number 48 to 100. Here you go. Chris Chambers, Jeremy Shockey, Aaron Rodgers, Deion Branch, Carlson Palmer, Randy Moss, still with the Patriots, Nashawn Marino, can't really pronounce that. Here's Gerhart Audrick. There you go. Troy Gonzalez, Maurice Jones-Drew, Greg Olson, Sean Green. Yeah, sorry guys, my recorder is kind of blurry, so please bear with me. Okay, here's TJ. I can't pronounce his last name. Larry Fitzgerald, Dallas Clark, a rookie refractor, Kevin Thomas for the Colts, That's number 187 to 250. Right there. Okay, here we go. We got Brett Favre, Jason Witten, Jason Campbell, Donnie Avery, Vicente Schienko, Tony Romo, Kevin Boss, Century Stars, Troy Polamalu, here we got Brandon Jacobs, Jermichael Finley, Joe Flacco, Larry Johnson, Kevin Walter, Fred Jackson, Jamal Charles. We got Gridiron Kings, Dan Forte for the Chargers right here. I don't know if that's numbered. That's not numbered. Okay, here we go. Ryan Grant, Ray Rice, Vincent Jackson, Vince Young, Rashad Mendenhall, Matt Castle again, Carson Palmer. We got rookie Terrence Cody. Here we go. We got Chris Chambers, Jeremy Shockey, Aaron Rodgers, Kellen Winslow Jr., Kevin Kolb, Randy Moss, Nishan Marino, Larry Fitzgerald. We got number 137 to 385, Toby Gerhart. Here. Wow, that's a nice card. Rookie class, Vikings, patch auto. Here we go. We got Jerome Harrison, Drew Brees, Phillip Rivers, Kenny Britt, Hines Ward, Antonio Bryant, Lawrence Maroney, Cowboys rookie, Lanye Miller, here you go, Nate Burleson, Josh Freeman, Jeremy McClain, Vernon Davis, Jabbar Gaffney, Beanie Wells, D'Angelo Williams, and Terry Bradshaw and Ben Roethlisberger together. I'm gonna make this video two parts so the upload can go faster, so hold on, I'll be back.